Rams.
Dr. Dre is making music for an upcoming GTA game, says Snoop Dogg. If this is true, it'll be the first new music from the legendary rapper in a very long time.
He's actually in the video game now.
Dre? Or Snoop?
Yeah, Dr. Dre.
Dre, yeah.
Yeah, he's in GTA 5 as like was it an expansion that they just released or they're going to release?
So I got to pay for Dre?
You gotta.
I got to pay for Dre.
Or maybe not, I don't know.
Rockstar Games recently revealed Grand Theft Auto, the Trilogy, the definitive edition. Sounds serious. Which launches digitally next month and hits store shelves in December. Alongside this high-profile return to the franchise's past, though, the developer is presumably still working on its future now, according to comments made by Snoop Dogg on a Rolling Stone podcast. They're going like different connection points here. It seems his fellow rap luminary, Dr. Dre, may be working on music for an unannounced GTA game. Snoop's comments also suggest he might be collaborating with Dre on the music. This is cool. I mean, I kind of like this where it's like you have to go into the game world in order to experience the new music. I mean, I'm sure it gets uploaded elsewhere as well, but it's kind of a cool collab. Don't you agree?
I think so.
I mean, we haven't, yeah. Oh, Dre's like fully in the game.
Yeah.
He's a full out character.
Yeah,
that's
so it's kind of exciting. He's in his studio too.
Listen, this is what you got
get to interact with him.
This is what you got to do, right? You've been in this media business for a while, and you've seen it all. You've had success, but you're staying in it. You don't have to go take a nap. You can find ways to do cool things. And Snoop has been doing that. Like Snoop pops up everywhere.
Yes.
You're like, damn, man. I saw him. What did he just recently? SodaStream. He's endorsing SodaStream.
Really?
Recently I'm seeing this. And you just or remember, what about Shaq? Did you see Shaq? He's got the Epson printers.
Oh yeah.
You're like, where did this come from?
Yeah.
But you stay in the scene and you do it in your own way, and you do it in your own style, and all of a sudden you transcend generations.
Sure. Yeah.
And that's what's going to happen here because everybody plays GTA, and obviously the youngsters, and
it's very fitting too.
Then they see Dre,
which is cool,
and then they want to go listen.
Yeah.
And so yeah, man, that's especially if it's going to be actual original music.
Yeah.
I mean, Dre made some beats, man.
No kidding, eh?
Like he made some beats, like some iconic sounds. So you got to check that out for sure.